One of the things that the last few months have taught us is the importance of being fast and flexible. Basically, we were put into a situation where we had to convert what we were doing from being physical to being virtual. Now, for a lot of organisations, they were ready, but a lot were not. And one thing I noticed is frantically people were looking for ideas and inspiration to keep their teams engaged, inspired and connected. Now that might sound strange given we were connecting a lot over the internet, but reality is we're looking for different ways and keeping it fresh and engaging and having some value to add rather than just turning up for the sake of turning up. So one of the things that we did was doing some virtual networking. So creating groups where people were coming together and sharing ideas. It could be simple as what's working, what's not working, and what do you need help with. Internally, these are great questions to ask. And over a bit of time, what happens is people feel a bit more comfortable exposing a layer of themselves and really sharing what they've learned and what they need help with and the things that didn't work. Realistically, in organisations, we talk about having these different divisions and departments and the fact that we collaborate across the departments. But realistically, in a lot of instances, this lockdown brought us to the point where we started to see that perhaps this wasn't the case at all, and we needed to look at new ways to connect and share ideas and insights with each other. So as we come out of this period of time, what are you doing to keep your team connected? What are you doing to keep them inspired? What are you doing to keep them engaged? If you'd like help keeping your team connected and engaged, whether they're virtually there or in person and back in the office or even on that split, I'd love to be able to help.